suck him in, too.
GW. I was as faithful as the day was long. Cooked your supper every night. And you just shit all over our wedding vows. You just shit all over them. And I've lost weight. With the Jenny Craig's lost 42 pounds. 42 goddamn pounds! And he didn't even notice. Never even said one thing.
Yeah, well, that'd kind of be like the Titanic losing a couple of deck chairs.
You know, you really are a shit, GW. Hopeless for me. I just wonder what my mama saw in your sorry ass anyway. Look at me. Look at me. Too late. Take off your pants, GW.
What? I ain't gonna
Take off your goddamn pants!
I'll take them off if I was you. Okay. Taking them off. Shit.
You too, boys. Quit your grinning and drop your linen.
What did I do to deserve this?
Ruined my brother's life, Wardell. You and this nitwit brother of yours, so just take them off!
I ain't no nitwit. I don't much appreciate you calling me that.
How about half-wit?
I don't like that either. Okay. You satisfied?
You ain't satisfied me in years.
This ain't right, Lavonda.
I loved you, Wardell. And you had to go and ruin it all by beating the shit out of Brother Boy.
Beat the shit out of Brother Boy because you told me he was in love with me.
You know what my mama said the day the sheriff brought him home all beat to a bloody pulp, huh? Do ya?
No, I don't.
She said, well, this just proves my point. He can't live in regular society like a normal human being because it's just too dangerous. And the very next day, her and Daddy drove him over to Big Spring and signed the papers for him to rot in that crazy farm. You ruined his life, Wardell.
So what do you want to talk about now? What are you doing, Dr. A?
More therapy.
Yeah!
What are you thinking right now, Earl?
Just wondering where you got that bra.
I want you to fuck me, Earl, because quite frankly, I think it's time you fuck a woman.
Dear sweet Jesus.
Come on.
Oh, I don't think I can.
Yes, you can. Just like that little engine that could. Say it, Earl. I think I can.
I think I can.
That's it. Now let's go. Fuck me.
I don't think I can.
Yes, you can, Earl. I can change any man. Just look at these, Earl. Just look at them.
Do you have any of my land?
Fuck me, Earl. Fuck me now.
Oh, God, Dr. A, you don't have on any pants.
I know. Now take this.
No, I can't.
One hopeless, pathetic freak. Shit. Oh, now, come on, boys. You can do better than that. Put your arms around each other. Love one another. Come on.
That's good. Yeah, give me that.
Okay. GW, look longingly into Wardell's eyes like you did with that tramp you cheated on me with.
Hey, that was my mama. Do it, GW.
Oh, these are good.
They sure are.
Shit. Are we done yet?
Almost. Just as soon as you reach over and kiss Odell on the mouth.
Okay. That's it. Just shoot me. Go ahead, just kill me dead right here and now because I'll be damned if I'm gonna kiss on you. Shut up, GW, and take your punishment like a man. Like a man? Like a man? Well, that'd be a little hard to do, Wardell, while wearing a black brassiere.
You made your bed, so why don't you just by God lay in it? Maybe she's doing you a favor. Did you ever think of that, huh? A favor? What the hell are you talking about, a favor? What I'm saying is at least she's getting even right after it happened. I beat the shit out of my little homo best friend, sent him packing to the loony bin for the rest of his life. And I have been carrying that guilt for some 20-odd years now. Wish you'd done this sooner, Lavonda. Maybe by now my life would be just a little bit better. And maybe your life would be better too, GW, for wearing that pretty little lacy black brassiere. That is all I'm saying. What can I do, Lavonda? Huh? What can I do to make it better? What can I do for you? Shit, what can I do for Brother Boy? There's got to be something I can do. Just please
There
tell me
ain't
what.
nothing you can do, Wardell. Not now.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah? Well, I just wish Brother Boy knew.
Yeah, me too.
Well, I think we have done some good here today. I feel like I've been to church.
Amen. Praise Jesus.
Then I get my pictures. You feed the jukebox. It's time for a little dancing, huh?
Dance?
These are good. Is it good?
You boys are real photogenic.
Okay, GW. You and Odell dance. And then we'll be gone.
Son of a bitch. I'll be the man.
Looking like that?
You know, he never took me dancing. Not once. And that hurts.
You mean? Okay, Wardell. Ask Odell if you can cut in. Go ahead on. It'll ease that guilt.
All right. And I'll gladly do it. Odell,
Yeah?
can I cut
Sure
you?
thing.
I had to do it, Wardell. For Brother Boy.
I'm glad you did. I feel better now. Oh, for shit's sake.
Hey, Louise! Yeah, Thelma. Hey, let's go on over to Tony's Liquors and stick him up. He shortchanged me last week. Why, that son of a bitch. Let's go.
Okay. Oh, wait. Girls. I'll drive the getaway car. Oh, drunk.
Well, come on, honey. Get on out there. Can you drive a stick?
You better.
There's Betsy. Hey. I ain't saying a word.
Sing it! Sing it!
To each his own, Odell.
I'm never gonna get out of here, am I?
Shut up, damn sob sister.
They're never gonna let me out of here. I can't pass any of your tests. If you can't de-homosexualize me, they're not ever gonna let me out of here.
Nope. You're stuck. Stuck here forever. Just like me. Stuck here forever. Like a monkey in the zoo.
I really don't see anything funny, Dr. E.
Oh, well, I do. Oh. I almost forgot. Your mama died.
What? What?
Your mama died.
Mama's dead?
As a goddamn doornail.
Oh my God. My mama's dead. Well, I quit crying. I'm not even crying. You tell me why Nick died, I sobbed like a baby for days and days, but my mama's dead. I'm not even saying. Why, Dr. Eve? Why?
Beats the hell out of me. Okay, session's over.
You drop a bombshell like that on me, you tell me that my mama is dead, and then you just say session's over?
Hey, I'm beat, okay? You think this is easy? Now get your little monkey ass out of here. And next time, please, make more of an effort with my masturbation exercises.
Yes, ma'am.
And show up with no wig and no makeup. It is time you start participating in your own recovery. Because I'm in my rope's end with you, or I'm fed up. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna do my